Hello guys, today we're going to be doing a Blacket pack opening. We're going to be doing the Spooky pack and the Blizzard pack. And there's a booster, so let's go. And I'm watching a video in the background, so that's the background noise. Let's start with the Spooky pack, the Blizzard pack actually. 3K on each. Okay, it's glitching off. Okay, an epic. Gingerbread Man.
He said all top four. Okay, bet. Can I go in and look at it all? Look through window? Alright, man. This guy's cautious, even though we're even in his own private server, he's still being cautious, but whatever. Okay, he's got a yin yang law taco combination, 577 million, which is the whole.
Okay, first Santa Claus.
Nuclear dinosaur gold, a gold lost secret, and a gold TikTok. Now that's a pretty good offer. Why did he just leave? Why did he leave? Dude, these people are so cautious for no reason, bro. Like, I don't understand.
Okay. I will do a time lapse, and I won't steal,
but whatever. Just a nervous kid. Alright, man. We'll let him slide. I didn't know that was his only account, so it wasn't available. All good, man. But I'm gonna have to pass. I'm sorry. Thank you for the offer, though.
Hey, it's laggy. It's not looking good.
Pretty good offer, but the first offer still stands, man. I don't know if anyone's even gonna beat that in this video. That was a really crazy offer.
Okay, an epic, that's good.
You never know what some of these kids can pull out their pockets, man.
So many uncommons.
That's the real goal. Alright guys, here we go.
Only one legendary so far.
This guy just joined our server. Okay, wait, he's actually got a lot of stuff. I'm gonna have it over, I'm gonna ask him, yo, what's
It's almost 2,000 coins. We've got nothing except that legendary.
And the Halloween trait. That's really rare. Right here, just the La Taco question mark. Wait, let's see how much this does. 945 million a second. I mean, will you do it? I'm sorry, man, but I have a better offer from another guy. Like, this guy's offer is really good, chat. Like, this is a really rare thing. But I just can't take it over that 1.7 off the ground. Oh, wait, he said, wait, both of these? Oh, I feel like the other one is still better. I'm sorry, man. The other still might be better. Whole base. Oh,
Chroma. Guys, we got our first Chroma, Paris No Cloak. Let's go. We got 600 more coins.
You don't know how much I want that dragon. Dude, I can tell, bro. Okay, and we got a Reaper bike and a base Lowe's comb. I think I might get back to that guy on this one. I might have to get back to him on this one, I'm not gonna lie. I'll get back to you on this one. Crazy offer. Okay, Chad, we actually got someone who's close, if not better than the other guy.
Okay.
We'll see what happens. But yeah, that was a pretty good offer, man. We're getting better. Alright guys, I'm excited for this one. I think this one is
And
going
a few more packs.
offer, and he should be joining any second now.
Like two more packs. Oh, it's lagging.
Let's take a look at what he's got. He's kind of stacked, my boy. Okay, I'm gonna ask
Last
him,
pack.
yo, what's
Okay.
the offer? He said, do you have a dragon? Yes, I do. I do have a dragon. He said, my whole
These are my chromas.
thing.
These are my chroma. I got the Supreme. This is what we got from the. Actually, I have an idea. Let's resell everything we got, except like, let's resell the duplication, and then we will spend the amount of money we get back on the Blizzard pack.
Rainbow bike, a 90 mil Los Hotspocitos. Wow. Okay, wait. This is actually good. A Lockstein's Grande Diamond, a Taquerita Bicycle Tira, and a Puffball to Sigma Girl. Wow, chat. He has a lot. Wow, man. This is a lot of stuff. Alright, guys. This is a really crazy offer, and he has a lot of stuff, but I still feel like the 1.7 billion or that other offer we got for that, I don't even forget what it was, but it's the other offer or the 1.7 billion one. I think these are better than these, because this is a lot of items, but not as much like really good items.
Okay, we're back after we sold all that, and we have 1,291 tokens to spend on the Blizzard pack, so let's get into it.
Can I be the vid though? Yes, sir. Say hi to YT. Alright, man, he said thank you so much. But yeah, this was a good offer. This had a lot of stuff, but he said hi, huge fan. W fans, bro. Make sure to drop a sub if y'all haven't already.
Okay.
Blowing up the channel like crazy.
Okay, got 1,001 coins on this pack.
Let's to the next offer. Alright, chat, here we go. The next offer is here, and this guy is absolutely stacked. Oh my gosh, we got a rainbow grum up here, ketupot, mustaroos, whatever even these things are. Oh my gosh.
Okay, we're not getting anything back good.
It's a 250 mil base dragon. You gotta offer me.
Okay.
That's just how the bid goes in a way. Best offer I've got
Okay.
a 1.7 bill for Grama and a diamond bus. Alright, bro, let's see the offers. She said, I don't know. Let's see.
Epics.
Let's see what the offers. But for Grama and Lost Secret are not that rare. I don't know. Can you top it? I said, just the best I've gotten. I don't know. Can you top it? That offer? I don't know. Yeah. I don't know if that one for the dragon is that rare, but oh shoot. Wait, he said 988 mil lot taco with meow trait plus 600 mil tribute plus, oh my gosh, yo, holy. Can you bring them down to first floor so I can see them all? Dang, man.
Okay, guys, we have a few more packs. We're gonna resell again. I'll open one more. Okay. Let's resell again. Actually, I'm gonna save that for a different vid. Okay.
The last kid that was in the server placed that mine and did that. Dude, he's not believing me. Are we serious? Oh my
Okay, guys, we have 3,000 to spend on Spooky Pack, and then we'll resell once, and then that'll be the end of the video. Let's go.
The last kid just sold this trade because now he thinks that I placed that. I literally didn't do anything. Oh, fishing event. Wait, what did we get? Oh, I think it's a 9 cat.
Oh my god. Let's go. Supreme. Oh my god. That's Spooky Pack. So it's my favorite pack, so I will. Oh my god, a Supreme. What is that look?
Yes, and Los Mobiles combined, which is 620 million. Okay, so we got a 490 mil Ketupot, a 1 billion a second lot taco with Halloween trait and meow trait.
And we still have another resell. Still have a resell for this free pack.
Oh my gosh, bro. And a Yin Yang Low 6-7 and all the other stuff or whatever. Oh my gosh. This is the best offer so far. Oh my gosh, man. Wow. But is it really worth one of the rarest items in the game? Is the thing? This is lightweight. Over 3 bill, yeah, bro. Yeah, and rare, guys. Is there anything you can do with the Garama? Question mark. This chat. This rainbow Garama is absolutely fire, man. He said, I don't know.
Hey.
Blue dragon sauces. Maybe
Oh my god. Okay, we're getting a lot of epics. That's good.
So please listen until the end. Today is the final opportunity to register for this finance.
I really like this stuff upstairs. Like, how much per second is this thing? I can't even like see. Oh my god. And a Los Taqueritas that's like 700, 800 million. He said yes, so I had to catch fire. Okay. So this the final offer. Chat, if he says this is the final offer, I might have to go tell Enzo. He said this the if someone bet more, you can text me. Alright, I will. Let me take screenshot of it all. I think I'm gonna go text Enzo. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this and text Enzo. Because holy bro, that's a huge
Okay, legendary.
Alright, I'm like
First legendary.
the
Oh,
other guy,
damn it.
and I'll let you know. He said, am I bid? Yes.
Epics.
Sir. Okay, well, chat, we gotta go to Enzo now and see what this guy's
Okay, well, Spooky Pack's been doing good.
Alright, bro. Shout to those guys. Let's go text Enzo and see what he's gonna say about this. But first, alright, man. Thank you for the offer. See ya later. Alright, chat. Alright, that's another guy down. There he goes. Now let's text Enzo. I'm gonna send him this screenshot. I'm gonna say,
Another
"Yo,
epic.
This guy beat you. You got another offer? Question mark. Let's see what he says, bro. Let's see what he says. The offer, brother. Oh, he took the burger out. He's putting the foot on it again. And Minota just spawned. You know what? Why not, bro? Just give it to
A
me.
lot of epics.
Whole base? Oh, that row. He's saying that row. This side. Okay. So we added a mustard gold and 2 let's take a look at what the other guy offered again. You know,
Did I
I
open
still
the
think
auto
the other
pack? I
guy-
might
I'm
have
gonna say
opened
it.
the
I'm
other.
gonna
Oh, no, I
say
haven't.
I
Okay.
still think the other
Guys,
guy's better.
we have a resale. We're getting a lot of epics.
Wait, is he not? Oh, wait, what's he doing? He's trying to decide. I don't think he okay, he switched it out for the Fograma. He's gonna change this for okay, he added a burger and fryo instead of the Fograma. I don't know, I still think the other one is better. And I still think this is better.
Okay, guys, last pack until I resell. Okay, guys, I'm gonna resell and then open more
Is
packs.
this not the trade? What's the trade? Oh, I think he's just putting his base back. Oh man, I don't know. I
Oh,
still think
we
the other
got
guy's
16,
better. This is a pretty crazy
7.
toss-in, 'cause that Chipso's really good. The La Taco's limited. This Ketupon is absolutely
Oh
insane.
my.
I don't know. But
We
like,
got more
where's the burger?
epics than we did for
Burger on the
some
inside
uncommons. Oh my
burger
god.
all the way up here. Where's the Ketupon? Ketupon's down here. He said that was not the guy. So, burger, mustaroo, lost secret, and is that it? Evil Dawn? Question mark? Was that the offer? I feel like this is honestly might be a better offer just because of the fact that the burger is that rare, you know what I mean? Like this guy didn't have any rare stuff. Like it was more like limiteds and like stuff like that, but nothing like actually rare. Like he might have to add the grama if I actually am gonna trade this thing away. For grama, ketchup, lost secret, evil dons. Okay. For grama, he said this for grama, this ketchup, this lost secret, and these 2 evil dons.
Okay,
Now,
guys.
let's see what this guy does. Here, say I offered everything. Dude, this guy's trying to get me to hustle. It's low-key isn't a bad idea. And get the other guy to overpay more. That's evil, bro. I feel like that's evil. Do I do it though?
Okay, guys, we got 2,200 coins to spend on Spooky Pack, so let's go.
The 2 evil dons back so I can send him pick and see what he says. Actually, wait, I'm just gonna send him like this. I'm gonna send this, and then I'm gonna send this. And I'm gonna send it to that guy, and we're gonna see what he says. So we got this picture, and we got this picture right here. This what he offered. Can you beat that? Question mark? Let's see what he says, man. He said just he said straight This guy said let me know and left. Alright, no, we'll let him know, bro. That was a pretty crazy offer. We just gotta figure out what this guy's gonna say now. I hope he makes a better offer. I want that Garama really bad. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to trade this thing if I don't get that Garama, you know? He's still typing. Whoa, this guy's like menacingly typing right now. This is scary. Oh, there we go. La Taco 1 bill with me. I'll trade Ketchup, Chipso, Moblies, Yin Yang. Oh, and Radioactive. Not better. Wait, he said alright that I can add. Alright, join back. He said he can add. Let's see what he adds, man. Let's see what he adds. Dude, at this point, I don't know if I even want to trade the dragon away. Like none of this stuff has even seemed to be that crazy to trade back. Like I was hoping to get some like Grama offers and stuff like that, but I'm not seeing anything like that. Like I want this Rainbow Grama, I want this Mustaroo, and I want all this stuff over here. I don't know, man. Oh, he said, I don't know, what do you want on top? That Garama, to be honest. I want that Garama, chat. I want that Garama. He said, bruh, I mean, it's the 3rd rarest thing in the game. He said, I can add Ketcheroo. I can add Ketcheroo. I'm gonna say, I don't know. I think I need the Garama, man. Because I'm not really getting much value, I feel like.
Nope.
But what else? I don't know. chat. Yeah, you got an offer, man. I'm sorry. That's the vid. I can't make the offers, chat. I can't ask him to do something. I just gotta like let him make an offer. Say, sorry.
Okay.
This dude, he's got some fire stuff in Ketchup, Bill La Taco, plus the Garama. Is that what he's saying? Massive. Plus the Garama? Question mark? Is that what you're saying? I say Garama plus La Taco plus chip suey or ketchup pot is much better than the other offer. Okay, so he's saying this Garama, this ketchup pot, and this La Taco. That's a really good offer and definitely beats the rest. Anything else, or is that final offer? Question mark. I might have to think on this one, chat. I might have to think on this one. For now, that's my offer. If the other guy can beat it, text me. Oh my gosh, they're going back and forth again. I think the other guy said that's the most he could do, though. Alright, man. I'll let you know then. Dude, none of these offers, like, wow me, though. You know what I mean? None of them really wow me. But I guess we'll see what we end up doing. Alright, guys. I've made my decision, and I'm just gonna
Okay.
drag it, man.
Guys, it's the end of the vid. I'll see you later and tell me what pack you wanted me to open next. Bye.